What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage today at the auto auction. And guys, I could not help but show you this cool ass Corolla. This is a 2020 Corolla hatchback. Yes, kind of like the GR thing, except not a GR. But it's about as sporty as you can get without it being a GR. This is an XSE. Morgan County. God, that's way down inside Georgia. Macon, Georgia. Okay, this thing has almost 200,000 miles on it. 191 to be exact. Look at these rims. They're beautiful. Yokohama Avid tires. They're getting a little low, but they are worn perfectly. This car is beautiful. Got a few little rock chips here and there. Runs dead silent. I would love to have this car. Black roof, got the spoiler, got the windshield wiper that's worn ass out. This is so cool, y'all. Even with the miles, this thing's gonna bring money tomorrow. I'll be anxious to see how much. Clean. Look at the piano black. It is so clean. These seats look like they've never been sat in. This is like a leather. You can see some wear here, of course. But this is like a leather and cloth mix. And it's got just all the right options. These seats are very sporty. They hug me very well. But you've got a great instrument cluster here. You do have heated seats up here, which is nice. And of course, push button start, dual zone auto, climate control, power seats, very nice. Let's see, adaptive cruise, yes. Lane keep. I mean, this thing, someone did some serious traveling, serious commuting, serious. 191,703. Ooh, it even has paddle shifters. Let's see if we can find an average miles per gallon. I'm just dying to know. 37.4. Are you kidding me? That's incredible. That's great. For a non-hybrid. It's fun. This thing's fun. I mean, it's not super fast, but it's got pep. I mean, it'll get right up and go, buddy. I know it's a CVT, and I do know they offered these with a manual when they first came out. Now, I don't know if they still do, but this could be a lot of fun. Even with the CVT, just because these seats, I mean, these seats are hugging me like I'm in a Porsche 911. The steering is hefted up, got a nice leather, grippy, thick steering wheel. I mean, this thing drives like it's on freaking rails, man. I mean, it's a bullet. It is so cool. Oh, you can't tell. I mean, it doesn't even feel like it's got 91,000 miles on it. Plenty of acceleration. Plenty of acceleration. What a lot of fun. I got to do that again. I was running up on that Chevy Traverse. I want to try and get a good clean run. Oh, okay, I downshift the paddle shifter. It says I'm in pretend 3. Let's just go back to regular drive and not do any paddle shifting. This place is too... I miss my old track at my Chattanooga auction. I really do miss it. It's been a couple of years since I've been up there. But this one's 2 miles from... not even 2 miles from my house. All right, here we go. Very peppy. Very peppy. I could live with it. I could live with the CVT, especially if you wanted to have a little fun with the paddle shifters and bang them around, even though, you know, it is fake gears and all that stuff. I do get that. But that would be a lot of fun on this car. This car is just fun. This is a trade-in to Hughes Subaru. Someone traded this in on a new Subaru. What in the hell did they get? Y'all, is there a new Subaru that's out that's sporty? You know, maybe they needed some all-wheel drive. Obviously, they're doing some serious commuting in this car. Needed all-wheel drive. Maybe that's why they traded. But I cannot think of any Subaru on their roster that I would rather have than something like this. This is the coolest thing I've driven in weeks. Weeks. I mean, so smooth. I love it. Toyota Corolla XSE. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.